In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Chime Credit Builder account to your Chime checking account. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes using your Chime app. Whether you're managing your funds or simply need to move some money around, these steps will help you do it with ease. First things first, you'll need to open the Chime app on your mobile device, make sure you're connected to the internet, and go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. If you have face recognition or thumbprint access set up, that will make things even quicker. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll see a few options there, but what you're looking for is Move Money. Give that a tap. This is where you'll start the process of transferring funds between your accounts. Now that you're in the Move Money section, you'll want to select Transfer Funds. This option allows you to move money between your different Chime accounts or even to external accounts if needed, but today we're focusing on transferring within Chime. In the next screen, you'll see two sections, From and To. In the From section, make sure you select your Credit Builder account. This is the account where the funds are currently sitting. Then in the To section, choose your Chime checking account. This is where you want your money to go. Up next, it's time to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to double check this number. You want to make sure you're transferring the right amount, as mistakes can lead to unnecessary hassles. Once you've entered the amount, review all the details on the screen to ensure everything is correct. This includes checking the accounts and the transfer amount. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, go ahead and tap Confirm Transfer. This will finalize the transaction and initiate the transfer of your funds from your Credit Builder account to your Chime checking account. And just like that, your money will be transferred seamlessly between your accounts. It's really that easy. This method is not only quick, but also a secure way to manage your money within the Chime ecosystem. And there you have it. That's how to transfer money from your Chime Credit Builder account to a checking account. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and happy banking.